Hello friends, today is the anniversary of Goa's beloved son Bab Manohar Parrikar, and today we have on the show his son Bab Utpal Parrikar, and we are going to talk to him about how he misses his father. It's been almost 5 years he's not with us, but his memory will always remain in the minds of every Goan. Namaskar Utpal.
Namaskar.
Actually today is your father's anniversary.
Yeah.
It has been almost 5 years. How the journey has been so far? Meaning
The void he, void he has left
Yeah.
Publicly is there, but in our private life, I don't think it can be filled ever.
Yeah.
But there is a lot of things which we have learned from him. So we need to try to emulate that. He gave his life in the service of the state and nation. So that is kind of something we look forward to in doing that. Try to emulate it in your own life, whatever field it may be.
Yeah, you have seen your father govern the state, being an administrator. You have seen him being the opposition leader, then the defense minister. So you know all of politics. How different is today's governors than his thinking?
I won't go on specific about now and then. What I can tell about him is that the state, welfare of the state was always his priority. Any person, whenever takes a decision, the decision might be very good, it might be okay good, it might be average, it might even be bad. After all, everyone is a human being. But whatever decision he took, the welfare of the state was always the prime focus.
See, whenever
And I find in general, I'm not making any particular the point, but in general today I find that is kind of little bit diluted.
yeah,
Most of the elected representatives, like if you see smart city,
yeah,
whatever is happening in Panjim, the elected representative, the current one, is least bothered. When my father was there, even a small crack on the road, he would come at night and inspect it, whether there is actually a crack or something. So that
as you said that, I
needs to be
remember.
there in the elected representative.
I remember.
And that what I am finding missing, not only Panjim but many constituencies.
I'll tell you one instance.
Yeah.
The old Pado bridge, which was built for IFI,
Yeah,
those two.
I know.
There was a crack.
Correct.
And
It was actually the joint, expansion joint.
expansion
there was a
crack. So she crack the PWD Kalyan.
news he went.
I did the story in Herald.
Yeah.
And
but that is somehow missing in current what's happening.
and
in
evening, he went there to check it,
Yeah.
check the photo. He sent his own car to office to bring that reporter, and he said that आता मी वो काम सारखं केला, तू बसतो तो गाल फाल्या.
So that needs to be brought back, and that I am finding missing.
So that welfare of the people, you think
Has to
is
be
not
foremost
Yeah.
in any decision you are taking.
But do you think when you talk about BJP in Goa, it's always your father's name first. Do you think the BJP is following his footsteps or whatever he was thinking?
I don't have to make this political comment, especially today. What I am told, I have told.
No, because
publicly.
CM made a statement that all his dreams are being fulfilled.
His whatever projects he has started, those are getting fulfilled.
Yeah.
But I am talking much beyond that.
About administration,
Talking
people's
about
welfare.
elected representative being answerable to the people, and that I find lacking, especially in Panjim, which was his constituency for so many years. So that makes me really little bit hurt that the local representative is not bothered about Panjim.
No, Utpal, what happens is
Other government projects which he had started are being completed.
Yeah.
And there is cooperation from the national, central government also regarding that.
Yeah.
So a lot of development is taking place. And I am talking also about other small things, especially Panjim, what is happening.
So the Utpal Parrikar will step into his shoes to take a look into the.
I contested election.
Yeah.
And I need people's blessing. I tried to get it last time. It was slightly short. Let's see what happens. Today is not day to discuss all that, but somehow try to emulate him, think about him. This is a remembrance day for me.
So what about, you spoke more about smart city and the people's what is happening in Panjim. So are you going to take up this issue somewhere?
I have taken it many times. I am going to take it further. Like I see today, the new roads which were constructed have been dug up again. Waste of taxpayers' money. And almost to a criminal level.
So the people
Again
have
and
feeling
again,
helpless. So the thing is,
that is missing, and that you need to have right.
have you
people.
spoken to the Chief Minister regarding this?
I had spoken earlier, so maybe I'll try to speak again. That has to be fixed. Like new roads are being dug up, waste of taxpayer resources.
Thank you.
Something which you wouldn't have allowed.
Thank you,
so much.
thank you,
Thank
Utpal.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.